boat. Behind me, you can see that 11 catamaran boat. This boat long 11 meters and beam 3.5. Later, I will introduce to you about this catamaran boat to tell information. About the catamaran boat, we have 10 meters, 11 meters, and 8.8 and 7.9. If you need more information about the catamaran boat, you also can email to me or call my WhatsApp. Later, I will type my WhatsApp and email on this video. Thank you. And you can see this catamaran boat with a very beautiful color, white and black. You can see this boat with very bright color, white and black hull. That's a very beautiful color, very match with this boat. This boat with double catamaran hull, with driving in the rough ocean. That's very stable, and you can see that can cut the wave very easily and very stable in a rough ocean. This boat also can install with twin 300 horsepower engine and 350 horsepower engine. We only build the boat for my customer. They will install the engine in the local. Let's get in the boat and have a look. That's a very big deck. You can see very and can shoot about 10% facing and pleasure in here. And you can see there with a little bar in here when you can enjoy some beer, enjoy some food in here, and also with the drawer you can put some cup. Also have a seat, have a small seat, can have a rest in here, and a small sink. You can wash some fruit and vegetable. This is cockpit with a good decoration with a leather roof and the AC on the roof, and also with the fridge and the kitchen area. This fridge is 140 liters. Can put some food and beer. This is small kitchen area. You can cook in some food and make some lunch. This bar. You can have rest in here, enjoy your food and some tea and some beer. Have a small talking. That's the layout about this boat. And this boat also install a twin gaming screen. The size is 16 inch. That's the top gaming. That's a very good size, very big, very luxury, and with equipment control panel. That's all the panel on in there with the light, the bar, the pump, the hull, the water, and the water light, and so on, and the VHI compass. After the captain in there have a bigger bed that can accommodate about 4 people. 4 people sleeping inside. That's also with very thin cushion. It's very soft, and skylight and windows. In there, there's a toilet with a small wash tank and wash sink. And also with a shower if you need. That's the toilet room. Also with a big skylight. This catamaran boat layout very simple. If you need you have some question, you can leave message on my WhatsApp and email to me. This boat with generator and AC and some equipment. If you want to install on this boat, you all can email to me or call my WhatsApp. That's all. Thank you. Bye bye.